Second video reviewing mole concept. We're in the middle bottom of 145. We're going to figure out empirical formula and molecular formula. A mystery carbohydrate is composed of 25% carbon, 8.3% hydrogen, and 66.7% oxygen. What is the molecular formula of this mystery carbohydrate? The molar mass of the compound is 144.066 grams per mole. So the first step is I have to do empirical first, and then I can do this one second. So in your notebook you have some directions, and the first thing that it tells you to do is to take these percents and divide them by their atomic masses. So I take 25% and I put the element, carbon, and then I do 8.3, sorry, divided by, is hydrogen. So I put the H there, and then 66.7% O. I'm going to divide these by their atomic masses. I'm going to use a different color for this step, so those are dividing. Here are the atomic masses, and that is the first step. It's good to go out two places here, 2.08, and then I got 8.23 and 4.17. That's the first step. The second step is to divide by the smallest, and again I'm going to use a different color for that. So I look at these and I decide which one's smallest, and 2.08 is. So I'm going to divide everything by 2.08. Now here I need whole numbers. That is clearly a 1. This one turns out to be 4, and I want whole numbers here. And this is a 2. These are my subscripts. So I'm going to have a carbon, and I'm going to have 4 hydrogens, and I'm going to have 2 oxygens. This is my empirical formula. So I've done this part. Now I can figure out the molecular. So the first step in molecular is I need the molar mass of this. So I'm going to do a molar mass right here. I have 1, 4, and 2. Multiply them times their atomic masses. I can do this one in my head. This is 032, I believe. Yep. Right. And the final step for that is adding. And I got 48.022, and that's grams per 1 mole. The last step is to take my molar mass of my molecular and divide it by the molar mass of the empirical. So I have the molar mass right here of the molecular, that's grams per mole, and divide it by this. And, oops, sorry, I just got distracted there. This cancels, gives me a whole number, 144.066 divided by 48.022, and I get a 3. So the final step, I need a formula. So I take that 3 and I multiply it through, and I get C3H12O6. This right here is my molecular formula. Right, so I just found the empirical and the molecular formula of the mystery carbohydrate. It is C3H12O6.